Hey guys, Dan up here. Today we're checking out the 6-inch mini chainsaw from Orblon. Inside the box you get a manual, which we are definitely going to look at that a little bit later. You get the chainsaw itself. Here is the battery that came with it. This is a 20 volt 3.0 amp hour. And here is a charging cable for it. Looks like it goes right there. There's a light on the charger. Tells us that it's charging. We also have some safety glasses. And what's in this bag? Toolkit. We got a little brush. We got some bar oil. Looks like a cap for the bar oil. And an extra chain. And a file. Go ahead and put this battery in. No oil in there yet. Let's go ahead and fix that. Oh, that's a replacement cap for this. Nice. This thing comes with everything you could need for it. Turns out this here unscrews. Here's the tip we're supposed to cut off. Let's take this off. Screw that one on. That should be enough for now. We got our little button here. Watch it go through. We also have this little guy that we can use to tighten up or loosen our chain with. This chainsaw weighs 3.65 pounds, 700 watts, 3.5 amps. Charger output is 21 volts, 1.2 amps. Max cutting diameter is 140 millimeters. One of the big selling points of this chainsaw is that it can use DeWALT batteries. I have 0 DeWALT products. And they were supposed to send me this with a DeWALT battery. Instead, they sent the original battery. So I went out and bought my own DeWALT battery. First DeWALT product ever. Let's get into this. This battery and this charger costs almost as much, if not more, than this whole setup here did. Right now on Amazon, this chainsaw and the battery and everything that we unboxed is $99.99 with a $30 coupon right now. So it's like $69. I think that's about what I paid for this. Maybe $59. And flashing is charging. I think you can also charge this battery in there too. Yeah, look at that. So either one of these batteries can be used in it, and either one of these batteries can be charged in the DeWALT charger. Very cool. Now I got 2 batteries for this thing. Since I already have batteries, maybe I'll start buying DeWALT products. So we're going to take this thing outside and play with it. As you can see, we have quite the forest here on our property. What, like 7 trees? That one we're going to start chopping a little bit off of. And there's a pile over there of brush we're going to cut into. And maybe get into some of that. Alright, we're going to start with the original battery that came with it. And we'll start with this little guy. Right there. It came out pretty quick. Oh, it's not my camera. This thing is so lightweight. You can do it with one hand. Let's see if I can do it the other way. Oh, that chain got loose again. Battery back in. Let's see. Let's cut this guy off. Okay, this is more than 6 inches. I wonder how far down on that we're going to be able to get. Look at that. Didn't even touch that battery yet. But let's take it off. Throw on the DeWALT. Now let's tackle this one. Alright, this DeWALT battery has like 0 power on it because I forgot to charge it. So let's get this on the charger and we'll come back out in a couple hours or tomorrow and play some more with this. As you can see, we are using our DeWALT battery on here. It is fully charged. I'm going to take this branch that we chopped off yesterday and turn it into some firewood. No. No. This is that branch that we cut off yesterday, and I just cut all the way through it with this. Look at that. Almost didn't make it all the way through. But that is pretty impressive. That's a pretty okay cut too. As far as batteries go, I'm kind of glad I got the DeWALT and the one that came with this. Both of these batteries are completely full. I haven't touched the other one yet. Just chopping off that branch a little bit and chopping off all the limbs that we've been doing. I'm down to 2 bars. So I've been doing this maybe 30 minutes or so, really kind of working this. I mean, look at this. Even the sticker's already starting to come off. Working this thing a lot. But down to 2 bars. So having that backup battery is kind of nice. I don't really see anything around here that I'm not going to get in trouble for cutting down. So then I'm going to clean this thing up and put it away until I need a little handy saw. I think this would be nice to have with you if it's stormy out, if you're going camping kind of off-road. Just something to clear a little bit of brush if a tree falls in your way. Yeah, that's exactly what this thing's for. You can clear enough of a tree out of the road to be able to drive around it. And something like this, something this small, would be perfect for that. Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.